Welcome to today's tutorial on the JavaScript const keyword, an essential tool for modern JavaScript development. If you've ever wondered how to define variables that should remain unchanged throughout your code, then you're in the right place. In our constantly evolving world of JavaScript, understanding const is crucial for writing clean and efficient code. We'll explore its significance, practical applications, and how it fits into today's development environment. Let's dive in and see how const can help you write more robust and maintainable code. The const keyword in JavaScript was introduced with ECMAScript 6 or ES6 and has since become a cornerstone for defining constants in your code. But what exactly does const mean? In simple terms, const is used to declare variables that are meant to remain constant after their initial assignment. Unlike var or let, once a variable is defined with const, its identifier cannot be reassigned to a new value. However, it's important to note that this immutability applies only to the binding of the variable, not the actual value. So, if a const variable holds an object or an array, the object's properties or array elements can still be modified. This might seem counterintuitive at first, but it allows for useful flexibility while maintaining the integrity of the variable's definition. Understanding this distinction is key to using const effectively. Let's consider a real-world analogy. Think of const as a locked box. You can't change the box itself, but you can change the contents inside, provided you have access to the key. Now, let's look at a practical example of using const in a JavaScript project. We'll see how const is applied in a React setup, which is a popular framework for building user interfaces. In this example, we have a project with a setup file named const example.js. Here, we demonstrate const in various scenarios. In the demonstration, we'll observe how the const keyword is used in action within a web application. As we navigate through the app, you'll see a heading that confirms we're exploring a JavaScript const keyword example. The real magic happens in the console logs, where we see different aspects of const in practice. For instance, a constant primitive value like pi is logged, showing its immutability. We also witness a const object where the API key is modified, demonstrating that while the object itself is constant, its properties are not. Similarly, a constant array is expanded by adding a new element, showcasing the flexibility of const. Additionally, we explore block scope by defining a variable within an if statement, which remains accessible only within that block. These examples highlight the practical use of const, enhancing both the integrity and clarity of your code. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the JavaScript const keyword. We've covered its definition, real-world applications, and how it's used in code to maintain immutability while allowing for flexibility within objects and arrays. Remember, const is not just about preventing reassignment. It's about writing clearer, more reliable code. As you continue to develop your JavaScript skills, keep experimenting with const to understand its nuances and benefits fully. Try incorporating it into your projects and observe how it helps you avoid bugs and improve code readability. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into JavaScript and other programming concepts. Happy coding!